Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Dell 1110 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. Before go to our video, if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. First, we go to our YouTube description. Go to the YouTube description. In a description, I give two links, 64-bit and 32-bit. Always go to the 64-bit. If you're using Windows 11, go to the 64-bit link. Go to the Mega link or the Google Drive link. Open any link. Click on the any link. I click on the Mega link, and Mega link is open in your web browser. Here is the my link. Here we find download. Go to the download. Click it here and go for the standard download or download as a zip. I click on the standard download, and first is download on the our web browser, and after start on the our PC or laptop. Here we find our download is completed. Go to the downloads. Go to the downloads. Click on the show in folder and drag this setup file to desktop. And this file is a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it and click on extract all, or click on show more options and click on extract files. Click on OK. New folder is created on the desktop. Double click on that folder, and here we find our entire drivers. Here is the our drivers, and we are going to install these drivers manually. Close it. Close this, and we are going to install these drivers manually. Click on the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here you find add a printer or scanner. Click on add device. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up on your screen. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add manually. Close this. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. It is a most IMP part in this installation. Click at here, and if you find any port name, USB 001, 002, 003, USB 003, 004, USB 004, select that USB port. Click on the next. Click on have a disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Our drivers are on the desktop. Go to the desktop. Select our file name or the folder, newly created folder. Double click on it. Here we find one file. Click on that file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find Dell laser printer 1110. Select that printer name. Click on the next. Queue any name that you want. I queue Dell laser printer 1110 and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It takes few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. After that, if you want to share with the network, then click on the last option. I don't, so I click on do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on the finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Dell laser printer 1110, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.